Hi, this is Blake again from 1517 Music, here to share with you our arrangement of Joy to the World. This particular one I'm going to share with you is based off of the Hymn House recording, which is the acoustic recording. However, if you are interested in finding a full band recording, you can do so at 1517.org/music or by searching 1517 Music as the artist on Apple Music or Spotify or whatever streaming platform you listen to. So this arrangement takes the traditional melody and modifies it a little bit. And we took a risk on this. Sometimes, there are hymns that you just don't modify because they're so well known, but we did with this one, and I hope you like it. It goes like this. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. So that's it, Joy to the World. And as you may have noticed, I've got the capo on the second fret, so I'm playing chord voicings in with like A minor, though the song itself is in B minor. So that's up to you whether you want to use the capo or not, but that's what we did on the recording. And hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks.